I just love the dresses and outfits for this pictorial. From casual to cocktail to formal dresses, everything's just very stylish and chic. I am so happy to be working with my usual glam team na talagang trusted ko na. With them, I know na magiging maganda ang mga looks ko. At syempre pa, our photographer is one of the best in the industry. So, I am really confident with the outfits of this shoot.
I've worked with Mark for several projects already, even before I was client. When I was still in an advertising agency, I worked with Mark. We requested Mark. Kung hindi man siya ni-request ng celebrity, we would have requested him as our photographer. The other team, like the stylists, we've worked with them. We've had previous experience with them, as with Mark, and we're confident that they'll bring out the best possible output in this shoot.
Si Mark din is amazing. He's good. You give him a peg and he'll do it for you. Tapos may bonus pa na mga shots na from his inputs. Oh, syempre kapag SMDC bongga lagi yung SMDC, and lalo na we have a new endorser na si Sarah, parang level up talaga.
Mataray yan ba? Sa mata lang. There, and go.
Parang princess yung peg dyan. Parang ako yung may-ari nung buong SMDC, ganun na. Anong buong condo, unit, or yung building mismo. So, nakakatuwa lang. Nakakatuwa na. At saka yung, syempre yung looks, di ba?
Ayos sa camera. Yes. Yes. And go. Gorgeous. Now look at the light.
Magaling siya. She doesn't make mistakes. We give her poses, pegs. Minsan may hirap na pegs. Tapos, she does it well. She doesn't, parang hindi siya napapagod.
Parang nag-iba na siya ng image. Kumbaga kung ano yung brand na ni-endorse niya as much as possible. Ginagawa niya yung kung ano yung gusto ng clients, and at the same time kung sino siya. So walang disconnect yun. Kumbaga may combination. Hindi mawawala yung Sarah personality, at the same time yung requirement ng client.
Okay, good. Next.
Yay! 9 more to go na! Come on! Almost after!
Kung meron sa harap, meron sa likod, may pataas. Papasok mo yung sa harap, may selfie, photo sa harap. Tapon yung paharap para hindi sa harap. Ready, Sarah, good. And go! Go! Yeah!
May layout kami na yung dress niya was all yellow. Tapos sakop niya yung buong layout ng buong dress niya. Tapos very dynamic. That's so far my favorite shot na definitely we're gonna use for print ads, mga posters, billboard, mga ganun.
Sarah, ready, go, ha? And go! Nice!
If you look at the real estate industry now, you see a lot of endorser, building, plus copy, headline. Mostly ganun naman yung mga pattern. So in a sense, mahirap mag-differentiate So, in terms of giving a new look, we came up with the concept red and yellow, live red and yellow. And basically, it's playing on the brand equity of the colors of red and yellow for SNDC. And there, exploring it in many ways that we can visualize it. She wore yellow, or minsan din may red siya. Kung ganun yun, if she's wearing red, we'll put her against yellow. If she's wearing yellow, we'll match her background with reds and mga natural, organic naman ng mga reds at saka organic ng mga yellow. Golden skies, golden water.